Hi guys, today you watch me make boba milk tea from brown sugar. Why I use brown sugar? Because it's healthier and it's more delicious. So I use raw sugar. And now I'm writing on my notes to make it look more aesthetic and professional. So I add some water in. More water, and I'm writing. So it's 2/3 cups of water, and I will put it under the heat so the sugar will melt. And my cap there. So I'm gonna add some glutinous flour along with some cacao powder, 3 cups of glutinous flour, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then you need to add the really hot melted sugar onto the flour. And mix. Now I just use my hands, and I will add more hot water because it's good to fry. So this is all I got. And now you need to form them into the small round pieces. Now let's add some water and cook again. It looks really good, I think, but I'm gonna tell you it's not good at all. This is why I failed to make it. Now more sugar, and add the bubble inside. And now you have brown sugar bubble tapioca. Okay, now add it into the butter. Make it look really smooth, even though it's not taste good. It's okay because you don't know, as long as it look good. Now I'm gonna add some full cream milk because it tastes better with full cream milk. Ta-da! Now you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video in the future.